Fact theory continuum. So this is the sub-concept in the fact-value dichotomy. The concept of the fact-value dichotomy. This is the sub-concept, that is the fact theory continuum. Like fact and values, theory and facts also have a closer relationship. As in case of values, facts are the basic raw material of theory. Kant's famous usage may be rephrased as fact without theory is blind and theory without fact is empty. In fact, there exists a continuous relationship between fact and theory, popularly known as theory-data continuum. If theory is vital to every scientific advancement, fact is the building blocks of every science. Both remain in constant interaction. Development in facts leads to developments in theory and vice versa. Fact, as stated earlier, is a purposeful, relevant observation. From the observation of similar facts, he goes to the foundation of concepts. A concept is a shorthand representation of a variety of facts. It is an abstraction formed by generalization from particulars. It is a generalized term for a class of objects. As such, it helps in classification and measurement of facts. As a set of directions or abstractions of certain properties or relations, it directs the researcher to pick out a particular kind of experience. In a scientific venture, facts, concepts, generalization, and theory should be based on empirical experience. When we go upward from fact to theory, we move from validity to generality. Both rarely go together. Theoretical movement takes us higher to generality of facts, but away from validity or observation. Theory simply means the putting up of the relevant facts under the umbrella of some relation, property of abstraction. This is done on the basis of actual observation of some facts which enable the researcher to include other observed facts. Now the policy analysis, fact, value and theory. Facts, values and theory are closely interrelated in the study of research of politics. They all make up the structure of political or policy analysis, which itself is built of behavioralism, scientific method, and scientific value relativism. A dynamic theory is based on the structure. A political actor or scholar analyzes political decisioning or policy making in a scientific manner. Scientific method along with the scientific value relativism can help the politicians and administrators in taking value decisions based on relevant facts. It can also enlighten them on the choice of ultimate values or higher policy matters by analyzing the various facets and implications for them and the milieu. The political theory guides a decision maker. If the political actor seeks its help in understanding the facts and anticipating and controlling the coming events. Political science as a discipline can now tell what type of political action can give greater guarantee for ensuring human welfare. A party can realize what it wants and escape from the results which it does not like. Scientific value relativism is in a position to expose the actual meaning and possible results hidden behind populist slogan and vaguely written manifestos. It can make out where their consequences would lead a people. It can be regarded as a weapon against harmful political ideologies and for the defense of human freedom and values. The scientific value relativism and method does not prohibit any person or group to learn and adopt values from religion, nature, intuition, etc. So now we have to see, finally we have to see the levels of methodology for study of politics. The dichotomy and separation between two types of methodologies have so far kept them apart, making each other's findings somewhat baseless, false, and even misleading. Both of them have been claiming to accomplish what they should not methodologically claim to do. One cannot see spiritual and mental phenomena without reference to concrete situations of human living, and empirical realities exist without relation to human mind and spirit. To make out methodological horizons wider and the discipline more reality oriented, it would be appropriate if the nomenclature political science is abandoned in preference to politicology or polyology. Political science as a discipline is intermeshed with all the four forms of reality. Study of politics should have means and methods to handle all these four levels of reality. Without applying methods appropriate to data, realistic knowledge cannot be generated. Various forms of political phenomena can be studied like this. At the first tangible level, like any other social science, it has also a number of empirical methods of study and research. Politics is a worldly activity. It would make use of them. At the second level of mental and emotional phenomena, there are methods of physiatry, linguistic, and content analysis, experiments, black box techniques, and the like. At the fourth and final level, there are abstract phenomena like spirit, faith, feelings, emotions, and other mental categories such as memory, habit, commitment, elegance, and sacrifice. So this is the argument between fact and dichotomy. This is the argument about the dichotomy of the fact and values. So there is based on this explanation we can understand there are some values, there are some facts in our political science. So to understand the political science properly, we should balancing the both fact and values. So without values, the practical study is not fruitful. You should have the values. Values are the most important. So this is the opposite views about the fact and the values. So with this, we concluded the first unit. In next class, we begin with the second unit. Thank you.